Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about APG hybrid installation using Terraform. Myself, Rohan Jangid, I work at News Alpha Technologies as a software engineer. In the very first step, we will gonna see how to set up APG management portal like create environment and environment group. In the next step, we will see hybrid runtime setup, how we create cluster and how to configure the cluster. In the next and last step, we will test the APG hybrid. So here are some prerequisites that we have to follow. You must have Google Cloud account and Google Cloud project, and you have also installed gcloud SDK and Terraform on your system. So before going to the demo part, here we will discuss high level idea of APG hybrid installation flow using Terraform. Firstly, we hit Terraform init command. It will initialize our working directory. Then we will hit Terraform apply command. It will create APG hybrid infrastructure. So then we will go to the management portal part. To install the management portal, we require some needed API like APG, APG Connect, pops up, Cloud Resource Manager, Compute, Container, etc. Then we will create an organization, then create an environment group. Don't worry, we will talk about this step in a brief. For now, portal is created. You can see our environment is test environment and group is test environment group. Then we'll go to the hybrid runtime plane. Inside hybrid runtime plate, we will create a zonal cluster, then install the cert manager, install ASM, install APGCTL, create require service account and credential, configure the hybrid runtime plane and install the hybrid runtime. Don't worry, we will talk about this step in a brief. For now, we have successfully installed APG hybrid and our APG hybrid is up. We have created a proxy named as demo and it is deployed on test environment. So this is our environment where we work. Make sure you have downloaded gcloud SDK and Terraform. I already downloaded gcloud SDK and Terraform. Here, this is my directory where all the configuration file available. So this is my Terraform file that will provision api.sh file in a local host, and inside the api.sh file contain the command related to APG hybrid installation. So here my project ID is APG hybrid 312615 that I just created a project. As you can see, these are the same. In the next step, to use APG hybrid, you must enable these APIs for the project in Google Cloud Console. Then it will create a temporary token for the authorization part, then create a some needed variables to call this API, send an authenticated post request to create an organization API. Then it will also again create the some needed variable, then send the authenticated post request to create an environment API. Then again, here I am configure my DNS as a na.nalphatech.co.in. This post request will create a environment group, and after this, lastly we assign the environment to new group. So till this step, we have created a Google Cloud project, provision a organization, enabled the necessary APIs, and after the management portal, I am installed kubectl as a required tool. Then this command will create a cluster as name as my cluster in the zone US Central 1. Machine type would be 2-standard-8 and num node would be 1. That command will take 2 to 5 minutes to create a cluster. After the cluster created, then we will get the credential of the cluster. Then this command will install the cert manager. After this, we are enabled to enthos APIs. Then again we are downloading the some needed tools like GQ, KPT, Git. Then we are downloading the ASM, downloading the asm.sh256 on the same directory. And now I am verifying the ASM using the this key. Then I am making the ASM file as a executable, then running the ASM, verifying the command using kpt get. After the ASM configured, then we will go to the ASM file cd sto file. Here we just hard coded a file as a sto operator. In this file we run all the configuration related to ASM installation. So this is the command that will install the ASM. After this, we will get the credential of the cluster, then show the ports of Istio, then export the version, the latest version of APGCTL. While we downloading the APGCTL, it will downloaded the latest version of APGCTL. After this, we created an hybrid and untar the APGCTL Linux file to this directory. So we move the directory name. After this, we created some needed variables and full directories. So for now, so in this step, We are creating a service account for the Matrix Synchronizer, UDCA, Mart, Cassandra, Logger, Watcher, and distributed it. It will create the service account and as well as download the secret key. In the next step, we are going to download the TLS certificate. So then go to the cd overrides and override.yaml file. This is the runtime installation file that you have to configure. So this is also I have a hard coded file till this. It is a file. So after this I am creating the OPG org admin service account, then create the policy binding to the APG org admin account, and then download the key for a OPG org admin account. Then again creating some variables to call this API. This is a API that enable the synchronizers access, and this command will verify the synchronizers is enabled or not. The kubectl config get context will get the context of a kubectl command. It will store the apgctl home. After that, it will initiate the override.yaml at a dry run and then without a dry run. So after this step, we will apply as a again dry run. If it did work as successfully, then it will go to this step and it will run. So if this step is successfully run, then it will go to the apgctl check ready and hyphen override.yaml, and this command will create the ports and checking the every time ports is created or not. It will take around 10 to 15 minutes to all the ports to be active. So I will show you this whole thing in a demo part. So let's get started. So in demo part, we will run very first command as a terraform init. The terraform init command is used to initialize a working directory containing the configuration files, in our case resources.tf file. Then we will run a terraform apply command. The terraform apply command is used to apply the changes required to reach the our desired state of configuration. In our case, desired state is apg hybrid installation. So now it is started to initiating our environment. So now it is showing the management portal is done. We can cross check with the select your project, in our case APG hybrid. Go to admin, environment, overview. Here you can see the environment name is my test environment and the group name is test group. So this is the management portal part is done. So when you get this message, this is a message for ports are trying to be active and creating. So while you got this message, all container ready means we are ready to go with the APG hybrid. So let's get create an proxy, reverse proxy. This is our environment. So now it's deploying to test. It will take hardly 1 minute to deploy. So that's it. API is deploy on test environment. Thank you.